Got a Dodge Durango with a bad windshield washer sprayer. We're gonna fix that. So to fix this, step one, pop the hood. On this right hand bar, you're gonna find a little finger push. Push it to the left. Lift your hood. You look here, you can see ours is broken. This is why it doesn't squirt. If you push up on the cover a little bit, you can see it's got these little tabs. Push the little tabs and it will come through. And then you just lift it up. Here's the little tabs I was talking about. You can push them with your finger. They're pretty easy to push. All right, here's the replacement one. For Dorman 58148. We'll put a link down below for you. The universal ones are different than this because of the clips on the side. So we're gonna go ahead and slide this in. Just angle it. It does fit in from the top. Next up, you're gonna pull this out. Pretty easy, just wiggle it and pull. Take this, stick it back on there. All this is plastic, so don't be too rough with it. Here's the pieces we took off. You can see it's broken right there. That's why it doesn't work. That's why the pressure was all messed up as well, because it was just spraying water down in here somewhere. Here's our part, Dorman 58148. We'll drop a link down below if you need it. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. Leave us a comment. Any of that helps our channel. And it's a great way to say thank you. Thanks for watching. Now we've got left. We've got right. They both work again. Looking good. Thanks for watching. Took about 5 minutes, start to finish. You can do it too. Thanks for watching.